Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to do a video about some makeup. I'm a huge makeup person. I didn't realize until I started doing these videos just how much makeup I had that I used all the time. So this is Eyeko Skinny Liquid Black Eyeliner. It's a lifesaver and a time saver, and I absolutely love it. So what this is a skinny liquid eyeliner. It's precise, smudge-proof, and it comes in pitch black color. I know some people you could get this in other colors. I know some people like to do like a dark navy or like dark brown eyeliner. I choose the black. I think that it makes any kind of eye, I have brown eyes, but I think it makes any eye color really stand and pop out, especially when you use it against like a lighter eyeshadow. To me, black just looks the best, but that's just my opinion. I know a lot of you guys probably like to use other colors, experiment with other colors, but this one is my favorite. So this creates a precise smudge-proof lined eyes, really nice. Their website is www.eyeko.com by M Beauty Limited in London, UK. And then this size is 1.2 grams or 0.04 ounces, made in PRC. So I love the precision that this gives. If you guys like making a winged eyeliner, this is absolutely perfect for that. And I keep this, I use it every day, and I keep it in my makeup bag. I have like my little makeup bag filled with stuff that I use every single day. This is the size of it. And it's just like my everyday stuff, from more expensive makeup to more inexpensive drugstore makeup. It's just what I choose to use. It's my personal stash. And I keep this in there and it fits perfectly. So I don't know if you guys carry a makeup bag around with you. I carry like a Mary Poppins sized purse, and then I put my makeup bag in there. However, if you guys just have like a little bag, look how small this tube is in retrospect to everything else. It'll fit right in there. So for the size, it's good as well. It's a precise liquid eyeliner pen, very easy to apply, effortlessly accentuates with a thin, fine tip. You can create delicate lines or effortlessly build for bold feline flicks in a dark carbon black. And the color is outstanding, and it's different than like, say, your like regular liquid eyeliner that comes in a tube with a little brush. This gives you so much more precision, and it's actually easier because it's like you don't have to keep dipping into the tube to get more eyeliner. Like it's already ready to go. Like that could be like an annoying thing sometimes that holds you up if you're in a rush. Like you have to go back and dip the brush into the tube. That could get annoying unless you really have like time. But in the morning, it's like whatever saves me time is going to be my best friend. So it's so easy to use. It stays on day and night. I love this liner. The only thing that I don't love about it is the fact that you can't really tell when it's running out. But that's a little tough. It's like, okay, like you'll be using it fine, and then like the next day you'll be like, oh no, I ran out, because you can't see like when it's running low. With like the brush liquid eyeliner, you can, because you'll be able to see that the brush is running out of like the liquid. With this, you can't tell. There's just no way. So I'm gonna just draw a little bit on myself so you guys can see. My hands, and I'm just going to draw it really quick right now so you guys could see a little bit. And it's nice too, because depending on which way you hold it, you could go thick or thin. I decided to go a little thick on my hand so you guys could see, but see, it's like a little wet. It's just drawing right now, and this is the tip. So depending on which way you hold it, you could give yourself, like if you go like this way and then, you know, sideways like this, you can create a thicker line. But then if you put it this way with only the tip going on your eyes, then you could create very thin lines. So it's just up to you. It depends on my mood. If I feel like, if I'm going out at night, I'll do a thicker line. But if I'm just going to work and it's like in the morning, I'll probably just do a really, really thin line with just the tip going this way. Because I'm like, you know, you don't want to, sometimes if it's during the day, you don't want to do your makeup like too thick. But it's great that it's smudge proof, and I love it. I just think it's like probably one of the best eyeliners I've ever used. and so easy. And it's this eyeliner pen is very pigmented too. So this one works so well over my eyeshadow, long lasting. And like I said, the only thing I would change is the fact that you can't tell when it's running out, but you get a lot of uses out of it before that point. Like I've used this for probably like 3 months and it's not run out yet, and that's me using it every single day because I prefer liquid eyeliner to any other kind of eyeliner. And then you just snap the cap back on. It keeps it nice and sealed and it's inside, so you get lots of uses out of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Be sure to pick some up. Thanks for watching.